In this video, we're going to be testing out the Rode Video Mic Go in real-world situations where we're going to be taking this out into the field to see the different comparisons of sound.
You can go your own way. Go your own way.
Well, hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for dropping by my channel and checking out this video. So if you're watching this video, you're probably either in the market to buy one of these mics, or maybe you're just got one and you're trying to learn some tips and tricks on how to use it. But this video is going to be really resourceful for you because I've done all the hard work for you. I've taken this mic out into the field. My son and I, we are vloggers, and we took it out into the field and we put it in different real world settings, whether it be inside, whether it be outside with traffic coming, maybe by water. So different situations of testing out this Rode Video Mic Go to see what it sounds like, whether it's worth it to put an external mic on there, or what it's going to sound like if you go without it and you just go with the onboard sound that's on your camera. This is one of the smaller mics that Rode has to offer, and it's a really good one for the price. They do make some smaller ones that you can put on your smartphones, but this one here is the mic that I use for my mirrorless DSLR camera on my Canon M50, and this one fits right on top there with the hot shoe adapter, and I take it out in the field and I use it whenever I can. So hopefully this video will help you make that decision on whether you want to buy one of these. And if you're looking to get one of these Rode Video Mic Go's, I'm going to drop a link down in the description below of where you can get one. Now, one thing I don't have with this particular mic is a dead cat. I believe that's what they call them, those furry things that they put right here on to block the wind. I just have this foam Rode mic here that's got the branding on it right here. But one of the next investments that I'm going to make is buying one of those furry dead cats to help block some of the wind noise and reduce that wind vibration and sound. So let's go ahead and dive into the field test and show you some of the footage that I was able to capture using the mic and going without it. Check it out. Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be testing out the Canon M50, and we're doing some audio tests with the Video Mic Go, I think is what it's called, that's attached to the Canon M50 right now, and then we're going to be doing some tests with just the onboard Canon M50. And today I have my sidekick with me right here, my son Cole. You ready to do this, Cole? Alright, so we're going to be doing some different kinds of tests with maybe staying by traffic, maybe being by water, but just all different kinds of different situations and scenarios to see what the differences in the sound are like, to see if it's even worth putting an external mic on here or not. So right now we do have the mic attached to the camera. This is what it sounds like without it. Alright, so this is being in town, walking on a sidewalk with the onboard mic and traffic going by. So let's get a little closer to the traffic using the onboard mic. Whew, it is cold. Alright, so this is the onboard mic with the traffic driving behind me here. It's not real busy, there's a red light going on right now, but we'll see what it sounds like. Okay, so this is what it sounds like with the onboard mic and traffic going behind me, and with a little bit of a noise, the in-town noises. This is with the Video Mic Pro attached to the Canon M50. We are recording with the external mic attached in town with traffic all around us, and that guy was revving up his engine behind me, so that would be good to see what that sounds like. Alright, are you cold?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I just put my hoodie on over my hat.
Because your ears are cold?
Yes.
Alright. Alright, so it's a brisk autumn day. Cole is using his skateboard. Alright, This is with the Video Mic Go attached. Alright, do it. Alright, so this is the onboard camera mic. Listen to him come down the sidewalk. Hi there.
Oh, he's just gonna jump right on there.
That's alright.
You still need to do a kickflip. He was yelling.
With the Video Mic Go on. Onboard Canon M50. Alright, we stopped here at a park. What's funny is that car's on. There's nobody in it. And I don't even see anybody around. Stepping stones.
Fun fact, this, like, in Wyandotte County is where, like, Indians used to be. Well, they put these big old stones here, and that's what the Indians used to get across the river.
Alright, so I'm going to try to get as close to the water sounds as I can, but I'm not going to risk getting out there too far because I don't want to fall in. But this is what it sounds like with water behind me and the Rode mic attached. And this is what it sounds like with the onboard M50 mic and water behind me. Alright, so this is a clip of the Rode Video Mic on inside of a shelter, so it creates a little bit of echoing, so I'm kind of interested to see what the sound difference between this would be. And now with the sound difference with a little bit of echoing using the Canon M50 on board. So yeah, I think it's a good test here. Alright, so this is one of the best parks here in our town because it's so peaceful, it's so quiet. People just come here to walk their dogs, maybe run, jog, ride bikes. But there's not a playground, it's just a walking park, but it's pretty big. And it's real pretty. Alright, so this is a pretty good test with some hard light going on and a fountain behind me using the Rode mic hooked up to the camera. Okay, so this is a sound test with the fountain behind me using the onboard mic for the Canon. Sound test now with the Rode Video Mic Go attached into the camera inside of a car. So we're kind of stuffed in here. There's no ambient noise, no outside noises that would affect what this sound test would be like. And this is what it sounds like with the onboard Canon M50 mic. So yeah, I think these are some good sound tests to see what the difference would be in the different types of environments that you would be video recording in and the different types of settings that you would be shooting in.
Hey guys, so my dad went to my grandma's house, so yeah, I don't know what he's doing. My grandma called him, so he's coming back, so shh. Hey!
Hi, was you playing with my camera?
Yeah.
While I was gone?
Yep.
Well, thanks for watching this video, guys. Hopefully it was resourceful to you and hopefully it helps you out making a decision whether you want to buy this mic or not. I think it's a pretty good mic. I mean, I've been a fan of it since I've had it, so it gets my recommendation. Like I said, there will be a link in the description down below where you can get one of these. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so now. I do tech videos all the time. And if you like this, go ahead and throw a thumbs up. And until the next video, be creative.